In this video, I'm going to reveal how Etsy sellers are earning hundreds of dollars in passive income every day by legally downloading free photos online and then re-uploading them to Etsy to resell for a profit. Plus, I'll also be showing you examples of top-selling photo niches on Etsy to help inspire you to create your own top-selling products too. So then, let's get started on niche number 1, plants. Yes, if we come over to Etsy and do a search for wall art featuring photos of plants, you will see that there are a ton of popular products, including both print-on-demand products and digital products. For example, take a look at this 2-piece cactus wall art set. It's estimated to have made over 120,000 Australian dollars using the Etsy research app Allura, which, by the way, when you convert into US dollars, comes out to over $80,000. And come and take a look at this cool trick that Etsy stores do. So this photo here, it is currently estimated to have made over $24,000. However, what the store has also done is it has turned it into a 2-piece wall art set by splicing the photo into 2. And that photo set is estimated to have earned over $90,000. And so as you can see, Etsy photo stores are repurposing photos into multiple products to earn even more money from them. And that's also what this store did here. Take this set of plant photos. It's estimated that they've made about $900 from it. And you know, $900, that's not bad, right? But that's not all, because they've also repurposed them into other types of products, such as this poster set here, which is estimated to have made over $16,000. And here is where things get interesting. So most of the products that this store is selling are photo products. And in the past month, it's estimated that they've made roughly $25,780 from them, which is roughly $859 per day on average. And here's the thing, a lot of the photos that we've seen successfully for sale are free photos which have been downloaded from the internet and then re-uploaded to Etsy for resale. And to show you, what I did was I screenshotted one of the poster images from that $16,000 poster set and I uploaded it to TinEye, which is a reverse image search engine where you can search for specific websites on the internet to see if that image has been uploaded to it previously. And so by doing a search within it, I was able to discover that this photo was originally uploaded to Pixabay in November 2016. And well, if you've never heard of this website before, Pixabay is a site where photographers can upload photos that they take to be used by anyone for free, which is why a lot of Etsy stores source the photos that they sell directly from Pixabay. And the interesting thing about Pixabay was it was actually previously purchased by Canva. However, as the Wikipedia page for Pixabay explains, before Canva purchased it and took it over, all photos that were uploaded to it before January 9th, 2019 had a public domain license, which can't be changed. And so that's why that Etsy store was legally allowed to download that photo from Pixabay and then re-upload it and resell it on Etsy. Because that photo was uploaded in 2016 and has a public domain license, which means that anybody can use it even for commercial purposes. So then let's move on to niche number 2, beach and coastal photos. So if we come over to Etsy and do a search for beach wall art, we will see that a lot of the popular products, both print-on-demand products and digital printable products, are photos. For example, take this print-on-demand photo being sold. The Etsy research app Allura estimates it's made over $57,000. And check out this print-on-demand photo print. It's estimated to have made over 61,000 Australian dollars. And take a look at this printable set of beach poster photos. It's estimated to have made over $59,000. And so of course, what did I do? I screenshotted one of the poster images and I uploaded it into TinEye. Now inside of TinEye, you can sort the results by oldest websites listed to see where the photo was originally uploaded to. So by doing that, I was able to discover it was originally uploaded to Pixabay back in 2017. And so it has a public domain license. And by the way, if you're watching this and you think that this business idea sounds interesting, then you should be sure to download my free ebook where I share how I and others download free images legally online and then turn them into print-on-demand products to sell for a profit. If you'd like to get a copy of my free ebook, I'll have a link to it in the video description. But anyway, back to the video and on to niche number 3, foggy forests. Okay, I know, this is a super specific niche, right? But seriously, people love photos of foggy, misty forests. And you can see it for yourself. If we come on over to Etsy and do a search for foggy forest wall art, you will see that lots of the popular products are indeed photos. For example, take this printable poster set. It's estimated to have made over $8,000 passively. And take this 3-piece poster set. It's estimated to have made over 24,000 Australian dollars. And check out this poster set for sale here. It's estimated to have made over 80,000 Canadian dollars, which when converted into US dollars is over $60,000. And so what did I do? I of course screenshotted the poster image and put it into TinEye and looked at where it was originally uploaded to. And I discovered it was uploaded to stocksnap.io and it was given a CC0 license, which is very similar to a public domain license, which means it can be legally resold. Although, as you can see, the image has been heavily edited because in addition to splitting it into 3 different posters, they have enhanced the photo a lot. And it's actually very common to modify photos for 2 reasons. The first reason is that even if you're legally allowed to resell a photo as is, a lot of websites will not let you just sell the photo as is. They do require that you modify it. And the second reason is because oftentimes the photos themselves are not good enough to be resold as is, and you will need to modify them, which used to be a very skill-intensive thing, but thanks to development in AI photo editing tools, it's much easier than it was before. And to show you an example, I took this photo and I uploaded it into the photo editing app Canva, and then using their one-click auto enhance feature, I was able to turn those trees, which originally just looked like blurry silhouettes, into sharp, defined tree branches, and I also made them nice and bright and green. And of course, you can always go in and adjust the photo editing sliders yourself to get a specific look or aesthetic that you want. Alrighty then, so with that, let's move on to niche number 4, rustic farming. Yes, if we go to Etsy and do a search for rustic farming wall art, you will see that photos in this niche are currently very popular thanks to their trendy boho aesthetic. For example, take a look at this printable poster. It's estimated to have made over $8,000. But that's not all, because like other posters I've showed you earlier, they have repurposed this into another product to make even more money. And the way they did that was they took that single photo, but they spliced it up into 3 different photo posters. And these spliced posters are selling even better. They're estimated to have made over $35,000. And something that's pretty clever that you may have not noticed is that by taking that single photo but splicing it up into 3 different images, they were able to double the price. Customers perceive this to be worth more because they're getting more images. It's a great way to make additional money. And yes, I know I've spent a lot of time on this video already just talking about this example, but there are lots of other stores making great money in this niche. For example, take this print-on-demand poster. It's estimated to have made over £16,000, which when converted into US dollars is over 20,000 US dollars. And take a look at this poster photo set here. They're estimated to have made over 13,000 euros, which when converted into US dollars is over $14,000. And so of course, what did I do? I screenshotted one of the poster files and I put it into TinEye, and by doing that, I was able to find that originally this photo was uploaded to Pixabay back in 2016, and so of course it has a public domain license. And by the way, I'm sure a lot of you watching this are thinking, well gee Sarah, you've talked about Pixabay a lot. Is that the only website where I can find free images legally online and then resell for a profit? And the answer is no. There are plenty of other websites to do this from. And honestly, Pixabay isn't even my favorite website to find free photos to resell. I've actually created a video about this inside of my print-on-demand video course, the Ecom Clubhouse. If you're interested in seeing if my course is right for you, I will have a link to it in the video description. But for now, back to the video and onto niche number 5. National parks. And honestly, I don't think this should be surprising. As we can see by doing a search, the photos of national parks look stunning, and so customers love to buy them as wall art in both print-on-demand form and as printable digital products. For example, take this set of print-on-demand wall prints of the National Park Yosemite. These have been very popular and have been estimated to have made over $44,000. And take a look at this poster set here. They've combined free photos of national parks with cool text descriptions. Customers really like it, and it's estimated that they're making nearly $500 a month in passive income. And so what do you think I did? I screenshotted one of the poster images and uploaded it to TinEye, and by doing that I was able to find out that this photo has actually been uploaded to RawPixel, who themselves got it from Wikimedia, and of course it has a public domain license. Which of course means that this photo is allowed to be downloaded by anyone and then be used even for commercial purposes. Yay. So then, did my video inspire you? If it did, please support my videos by giving this video a like, and to learn about which 5 Etsy niches are currently earning the most money, be sure to watch my Etsy niche video here on screen. I'll see you over in the next video.